Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate property staging with Staging Studio. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Staging Studio website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard with various options. Select the Create New Project button to start a new staging project. Enter the necessary details for your project, including the property address and client information. Next, upload high-quality images of the property you wish to stage. Once the images are uploaded, you will see options for furniture and decor styles. Browse through the available categories to find the perfect items for your staging. Drag and drop the selected items into the images of the property. Adjust the placement and sizing of the items to ensure they fit naturally within the space. Use the preview feature to see your staging in a realistic view. After you are satisfied with the staging design, move on to the next step. Click the Save button to store your progress in the project. Next, choose the Export option to generate high-resolution images of your staged property. Select the desired file format and resolution for the export. Once the export is complete, download the images to your device. Now you can use these images for marketing your property listings. For any additional adjustments, return to the project and make your changes as needed. And that's how easy it is to automate property staging with Staging Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.